morning, YouTube. All right, me and Josie back here at the land today. Today we're going to go ahead and put up our sign. We actually named our homestead finally. So let's go ahead and put this up. All right, guys, so this is our sign that we purchased. And if you guys are interested in purchasing a metal sign, you can message me in the comments and I will let you know where we got this from. So our land is called Pokeland. And we named this after my mom. And she doesn't know it yet, but she will now after she watched this video. So, yep. So ours is called Pokeland. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up right now. And so we got the post up here. We drilled the holes in here to put the chain in here to hold the sign. However, the sign is has a little weight to it. So you can see the top of it is actually leaning a little bit. So we just tighten up the wire right here to make it even. But we'll unloosen it once we put another post. We're gonna put another post in here. So I'll bring 2 more bags of concrete, dig the hole, put another 8-foot post in here, put this up so this will be level even. But for right now, this will do. We love it, and it's Pokeland. What we're gonna be doing today is we decided we are going to paint the shade house bamboo green. I think it's called bamboo something. Anyway, it's a light green that Josie picked out. We brought some more collusion plants over here. We got a lot more at home that we're gonna be bringing over here next week. We just ran out of room. If you guys get a chance to go to Home Depot, these bags right here are on sale. These in-ground right here, Josie. Okay, well, these over here. We bought these bags right here, these in-ground use garden soil, Miracle Grow. They're on sale right now. For $2 each, you get 5 for 10. And we're going back over there today to get probably about 25 more bags. What else? I think that's it. Oh, over here behind me, last week I showed you guys that we had some plants that we're going to be planting today. I'll put the picture on the screen. These are some pretty flowers, and we're going to be planting these all around the shade house today. So the plan is to paint this shade house and to dig it out around the sides over here and make a flower bed all the way around to plant these flowers. So all right, let's get to it. So what we did over here was we already started digging the holes to put the plants in. So we're gonna go all the way around over here. We're gonna go all the way around. We're putting these like 18 inches each, apart. And we're using this Miracle Grow in-ground soil, in-ground garden soil. We're mixing it with the native soil and we're putting it in. And this is kind of rough. This clay is kind of hard to dig into, but we're getting it done. All right, so we did these. We went around, put all the plants in. And I said, this is some rough clay. They're gonna finish painting this piece right here. But I went all the way around and put these plants in. So now all I have to do now is to put down the wood chips. It should take about 10 more minutes. Right there. And we are good to go. Looking pretty good. So we went all the way around with the mulch. And that's what it looks like. She finished painting. We ran out of paint, but it's all good. We'll get another can to finish off the rest of it. But this is what it looks like so far. We watered all these little plants too. We watered all the collusion plants around the property as well. So it looks pretty good, guys. So, and there you can see our sign. You see our sign up there in the front. So we had a good day today. It was blazing hot though, but we got done. We did a lot today. So we're gonna go ahead and take off for the weekend, guys. And you guys have a good one. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, I appreciate it if you do. Helps grow the channel. All right, thanks guys. Later.